The cylinder-shaped plastic PP Concealer Airless bottle is widely used in cosmetic, skincare cream, eye cream, hand cream, or face cream. The pump head is PP material and the overcap is PP material. The colors can be customized as your request of Pantone codes. The mock is 10,000 pieces and lead time is 25 to 30 days. We open suggestion to make new private molds. The normal packing is lined packed or cave packed with small op bags. The master cartons are 5 layers corrugated box suitable for long-distance ocean or air shipment. The outside, front, or side surface can be printed or labeled with shipping marks.